I didn't really show you, but this is actually the wheel that Basil got. It's FN2 type R wheels. Funny thing is, these wheels are going to be changed now anyway as well. Yo my dudes, before I do continue this video, I just want to announce who the winner of the 3-stage polish is. The winner is Shahid Richards. So congratulations bro, I'll make contact with you via Instagram. And then I just also wanted to mention is there was actually a previous winner picked, but I think that person changed their Instagram, so I couldn't actually find them. And then also moving forward guys, seeing that business is picking up, I am now able to give away some more things. So please look forward to the next giveaway. It might be a set of coilovers or some cash. And then also please look forward to me also being able to sponsor one of you guys as well. That is also up and coming. So yeah, without further ado, let's continue this video. Yo guys, so it's actually still the same day as the day that I done the reviews of food I get. I actually just look back at the videos now and I see most of them were actually not filming or something went wrong. However, I'm here with Basil. We're actually going to go swap out the new wheels that we got for the FN2 a few weeks ago. So the new wheels that we actually got was original FN2 type R wheels, but we felt like those were a little bit too heavy. So we're all going to swap them out for lighter wheels. So a lot of guys actually prefer the FN2 wheel on the car, but for the purpose of this car, I think we're going to need a little bit of a lighter wheel as well. So I'm going to show you guys the wheel in a few minutes. When we do a ride with the guy, I think the guy does live in Strand as well. So we are going to do a swap out for the FN2 wheels, and then I don't know if there's any cash difference. I'm not too clued up yet. But yeah, I'll show you guys the wheels in a second. Okay guys, so we just arrived to the guy in Strand. He has a black FN2 type R. And I'll show you guys the wheel right now. This is his car. Let's check what the wheels look like. Hello bro. So this is the wheels guys. I might just run it without the safety cap. Okay guys, so this is what the wheel looks like. These are Koyo Racing 18s as well. I think the offset is a little bit better. So as you guys can see, the fitment is a little bit better than the FN2 wheels. We don't even need to run spacers or anything. So this wheel looks a little bit more aggressive, and I think it does go a lot with the Seeker wing as well as the lip that will be going on the car as well. So this is the passenger side, and then this is the driver side. And let me just give you guys a look at the customer's car, more an OEM style. And then this is how the car looks with the wheels on as well. So yeah guys, I'll try to maybe get the video in the daylight of what the wheels look like, maybe on the side, whatever, but it is kind of getting dark. The odd thing is that this wheels, or the OEM wheels, actually comes from a guy from Strand around the corner, and now it's coming back to Strand again. It's just ironic, but yeah, I think the wheels look good. If you guys do agree, please do give this video a thumbs up, and then maybe on our way we'll do a few rips and maybe feel how lighter these wheels are, or if the car performs a little bit better. Okay guys, so it's still the same day that we fitted the Spec V Lenser wheels on the green Civic, and then this is also the diffuser that I've done I think about a week ago. So unfortunately my tripod is actually kind of damaged, so we're just going to use how can I say, YouTube magic to make this fit onto this Hyundai Getz. Okay guys, so just like that we have the bumper on. What my friend did mention is that we might just black out the section over here, or maybe add some mesh the same like mine, so it makes it look a little bit darker. And then let me just give you guys a full walk around on this car. It actually has ARC coilovers in as well, Honda ARC coilovers. And then I think it has what wheels are these?
It's racing ALOT.
Racing ALOT. I think these are lightweights or not?
Lightweight, yeah.
Cool. And this is what the front looks like. It has a Cupra lip on, and it also has this blacked out over there. I think this is also blacked out, and then the number plate on the side. Looks unusual to the normal, how can I say, Hyundai Getz. There's a future car banner on it, and obviously WONG spec and Supreme auto styling. This is actually a friend of mine, Shalem's company as well. So yeah, looks pretty good. So later on, I think my friend Basil might be pulling through for a lip as well, to go with the Seeker wing. So yeah, I might just add that video to this one as well. Okay guys, so here we have the FN2. Like I mentioned, we're gonna fit a lip onto the FN2 that matches the Seeker rear wing. Like I also mentioned, my tripod is not working, so we'll just use YouTube magic again. Okay guys, just like that, the lip is all fitted, and then let me just give you guys a quick walk around on the FN2. As you guys know, there's a new wheel fitted as well, Koyo Racing. I think it suits the car very well, gives it a whole racy look. What we might actually just do right now, which we forgot, is actually spray the center over here so that it looks a little bit more clean. But yeah, this is an update on the FN2. Obviously still has the rear Seeker wing, and like I mentioned, the front lip matches this very well. And then just like to show you guys a few things, just a few details, how it actually matches the bumper and it flows through here, very sturdy. And then this is obviously also air gaps through here. It's a very cool lip. I'd highly recommend anyone fit these lips on the car. And then also guys, I actually have the scoops, the fog scoops as well. That will be most likely next on the FN2. So yeah guys, if you did enjoy this section of the video and you are liking how the FN2 looks, please do give the video a thumbs up. It really helps with the video. Guys, so a customer actually pulled in with his clean center. I've actually never seen a car as clean as this actually. He just came in for some custom STM diffusers. As you guys can see, the section's a little bit small over here, so we just customized him one to fit his bumper. And then I just want to give you guys a quick walk around on how clean this car actually is. It's also turbocharged. So yeah guys, I just thought I'd maybe just share this with you guys, as I've actually never seen a Sentra like this, as clean as this as well. Look how cool the interior looks as well.
bro.